Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can change the language on Etsy. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first go to Etsy. After that click on the U icon, which is at the bottom of the screen. Then click on the settings, and then you can see the select language, and you can see that there is a list, and you can select English US, English UK, German, French, and so on. So you can pick one of these languages. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.